guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the Real Sort Mode APK. Now if you want to download the Real Sort Mode APK on a device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to install the mode. So after that you just need to open Google Chrome, or you may simply open Safari on a device, and from here you just need to search for any APK providing service. So you may simply search for any APK providing service on a device, and from here you just need to search any APK mode providing service website. So you may simply click on the option of search, and from there you may simply search the Real Sort on it. So if that is available from there, so you may simply install it from the third-party website, which I won't be able to show it on my video. So that's it. That's how you can install the Real Sort Mode APK on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.